We'll guide you through how to make gradient circle in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop to begin. Once the Start menu appears, use the search bar to search for Google Chrome. When the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application on your computer. After the browser launches, click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the results page, select the official Figma website and wait for it to load completely. Before proceeding, make sure you're logged into your Figma account so you can create and edit projects without restrictions. After signing in, start with a new project by clicking the plus design button on the dashboard. This will create a new file and open the edit page of your project. Once the editor is visible, locate the Shape Tools option at the bottom of the interface and click it. From the list of available shapes, select Ellipse. Next, choose the starting point on the canvas where you want the shape to appear. Click, hold, and drag your cursor to draw the ellipse. If you want the shape to become a perfect circle instead of an oval, press and hold the Shift key while dragging. This will constrain the proportions and keep the height and width equal. After creating the circle, move your cursor to the Design panel and look for the Fill section. Under this setting, click the color box to open the Color Options menu. Once the color picker appears, select the Gradient option instead of Solid Color. Figma provides several gradient styles that you can apply to your shape. For this tutorial, choose the radial gradient type to create a smooth, circular color transition from the center outward. You can adjust the gradient colors and positioning if needed to achieve your preferred look. After applying the radial gradient, your gradient circle is complete and ready to be used as part of your design project in Figma.